Hey guys, this is Gaurav. Today I'm starting up with my new series on MS Excel and would like to share some of the tips and tricks I've been using while using Excel. Alright, so one of my favorite formula or function which I generally use, or we all use most of the time in our the data management stuff, is VLOOKUP. And I'm going to today touch on the VLOOKUP function. So there are two ways you can actually do a VLOOKUP function in Excel. One, using the formula bar, basically just clicking this function. Actually then it means that there are three ways: so formula, function, or you can just type it. So most of the time now, because I've been using it since a while, I just type it down, but I will show you how to use this insert function thing, and then I will show you how to type it. So let's say if you want to, let's say this is your database. So this looks small, nothing like a database, but let's imagine if it is a database, and from this database somewhere you've been asked to pull a value. How much did Frank score? Okay, so how will you pull it? So you'll go here, select VLOOKUP. So what's your lookup value? You want to look up for Frank. Where is this database or the table? Here. What is your column index? So column index is the key, guys, right? This is the column from which you actually want to pull the value. So in our case, because we want to pull the score, so it's our second column, so we'll just put 2, right? And for range lookup, you just say 0. And you just click yes. Okay, so Frank scored 60, as you can see here, right? And if you want to go for, let's say, val, and if you will drag it, so it will give you the formula 20, right? Cool. So that's how it clearly works. You can click F2 to basically see the connection between your formula. So this is your table, this is the value you're looking for, stuff like that. Another way, as I said, that if you want to put a VLOOKUP to your lookup value, you'll just, every formula in Excel starts with an equal to. You can also start with a plus, so it doesn't matter, it means the same. If you're using the minus, you can still use the formula, but then it will throw back a negative value. So plus, you type the function VLOOKUP, and then you open a bracket, and then again it will show you all those values which we just saw on the wizard. So lookup value, okay, Frank, then you have to put a comma, so every value is separated by a comma, or a table array and stuff like that. So now second, as it highlights, okay, now we have to see a table array which is over this, and we put comma again. Then it asks for your column index, basically which column you want to pull the value from. In our case it is second. Then you put the comma again, and then you want to say, okay, so should it be true or false? You want an exact match, and if in case of true, basically it looks for an approximate match, but I think in our case we just want the exact match. So either you can type false or you can just say 0, right? I generally prefer 0 because it's easy. It's, you have to only press one key rather 5 keys. So enter, and it gives you 60, right? So it's exactly provides you the same. Once you have already learned how to put a function or a formula, it's easier to type rather to go here function, not to go in a formula bar. Alright guys, so that was a quick one on VLOOKUP. I'll be sharing a few more functions and some explanations on how to use Microsoft MS Excel efficiently in my coming days and coming videos. If you like my video, please click the like button and drop me a comment in case you want me to prioritize any other function before I keep going. I'll definitely be working on the menus and the functions in my coming videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.